Ever hosted a party where the food got cold before your guests even got to it? There's a better way. Introducing the Gold 4-Pack Chafing Dishes, your complete buffet solution. Made from premium 18 by 8 stainless steel, each 6-quart dish keeps your food perfectly warm for hours. And with 4 dishes in one set, you're ready for any event. Built with 304-grade stainless steel, the same quality used in professional kitchens. This isn't just durable, it's restaurant-grade equipment for your home. Each 6-quart dish holds enough to feed 15 to 20 people. The round design with secure lids locks in heat and moisture, while the stunning gold finish adds elegance to any table. Everything you need is included: food pans, water pans, fuel holders, and lids. Just add fuel and you're ready to serve. Keep food at the perfect temperature for 2 to 6 hours without electricity. No more rushing back and forth to the kitchen. Perfect for weddings, birthday parties, corporate events, holiday dinners, or backyard BBQs. Indoor or outdoor, these dishes go anywhere. Easy setup in minutes, even easier cleanup. The stainless steel construction wipes clean and is dishwasher safe. Professional presentation without the professional hassle. Watch how simple it is. Fill the water pan, add your food, light the fuel, and you're done. Hosts love how it frees them up to actually enjoy their own parties. Guests love the hot, fresh food from start to finish. Get your Gold 4-Pack Chafing Dishes today and transform your next event. With 4 complete sets, you're saving money while getting professional results.